Twin-Link Communication Technology Shenzhen Company Limited was established in 2007, which is located in Shenzhen, China, a high-tech research and development and manufacturing city. There is only 1 kilometer distance from Twin-Link Company to Shenzhen International Airport, enjoying the convenient transportation and logistics system. Our factory area covers about 4,000 square meters and is staffed by over 200 employees. Twin-Link is the world leading of RF solution industry, such as RF connector, RF cable assembly, fiber optic connector, microwave devices. Twin-Link is also highly regarded as a quality manufacturer, with precision testing and inspection equipment. We have got ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certifications, and our products are approved by the security certificates of North America, Europe, and Japan, up to grade ROSH and REACH compliant. Twin-Link is the technology-based manufacturing enterprise who has an innovative perspective and rich experienced technical team. Dozens of product patents being applied yearly makes us become the technology leader in this area. Meanwhile, we provide OEM and ODM services to support your business. Twin-Link possesses an independent machining division, plating division, powder division, automatic assembly lines, forming a complete product processing chain. At the same time, with 3 industry-leading and specialized laboratories to ensure electrical performance, mechanical characteristics, and environmental reliability, it forms an integrity performance testing system. Twin-Link has focused on the technology and market of the interconnection. Our customers all over the world. We care in customer concern, provide reliable product design, expertise solving problem and efficient production. We believe Twin-Link is your trustworthy partner.
Twin-Link is your best choice. Welcome.